From empty acres to dog park paradise. This is a story of transformation, vision, and determination. Elizabeth Morosani had a dream that seemed ambitious but was driven by her love for dogs and her desire to create something meaningful. She wanted to create a safe and fun place for dogs, a sanctuary where they could run freely, play joyfully, and socialize with other dogs. Elizabeth had 11 acres of land. This land was a blank canvas, waiting for a purpose, waiting for a dream to take shape. It was just sitting there, overgrown and unused. It held potential that only Elizabeth could see. She decided to turn it into a dog park. With a clear vision and unwavering determination, she began the transformation. This is the story of her journey. It is inspiring. Elizabeth's story is amazing. She faced challenges, but her passion kept her going. She is a true entrepreneur. She saw an opportunity, she worked hard. She planned meticulously, collaborated with experts, and never lost sight of her goal. Now she is living her dream. The park is a reality, a bustling haven for dogs and their owners. Her story will motivate you. It shows that with vision, hard work, and perseverance, dreams can come true. You can achieve your dreams too. Elizabeth's journey from empty acres to a dog park paradise is a testament to the power of dreams and the strength of the human spirit.
Know you've been a good friend.
Elizabeth always loved dogs. From a young age, she felt a deep connection with them. She saw a need in her community. There were not enough safe places for dogs to play and explore. Many dogs were confined to small backyards or had to be leashed in urban areas. Elizabeth dreamed of a place where dogs could run free, chase balls, and enjoy the open air without any restrictions. She envisioned a space where dogs could socialize, make new friends, and engage in playful activities, fostering a sense of community among dog owners. Elizabeth knew her land was perfect for this dream. She had a vision of transforming it into a haven for dogs and their owners. With determination, she began the process of building a dog park. She oversaw the construction, ensuring every detail was perfect for the dogs' enjoyment. The result was a happy place where dogs could play freely and owners could relax, knowing their pets were safe and having fun. Elizabeth's vision turned into a successful business, a bustling dog park where dogs and their owners could enjoy quality time together. It became a beloved community hub. Elizabeth started small. She built a fence. She added some agility equipment. She created a welcome sign. She opened her dog park. People loved it. They came with their dogs. They had fun. Elizabeth worked hard. She made the park better and better. She never gave up. Section 4. Sniffing out success. Strategies for a thriving dog park. Elizabeth is smart. She used Sniffspot. Sniffspot is an app that connects dog owners with private dog parks. It's a convenient way to ensure your dog has a safe and enjoyable place to play. It helps people find dog parks that are perfect for their pets. Whether you have a small dog that needs a quiet space or a high-energy dog that needs lots of room to run, Sniffspot has options for everyone. People can book and pay for time slots directly through the app. This makes it easy to plan visits without worrying about overcrowding. This made it easy for Elizabeth to manage her business efficiently. She could keep track of bookings, payments, and customer preferences all in one place. Elizabeth also focused on building a strong community. She hosted events like dog training sessions, social meetups, and even dog birthday parties. She created a welcoming atmosphere by adding comfortable seating areas and ensuring the park was always clean and well-maintained. People loved coming to her dog park. The positive reviews on the app reflected their satisfaction, making it a popular spot for dog owners in the area. Section 5. Expanding the pack growth and community impact. Elizabeth's business grew. She added more features. She built a splash park. She added shaded areas. She even hired staff. Elizabeth's dog park became a community hub. People made friends there. Dogs made friends there. It was a happy place for everyone. Section 6. Unleashing your inner entrepreneur. Lessons from a dog park pioneer. Elizabeth's story is inspiring. It teaches us some important lessons. First, follow your passion. Second, work hard. Third, never give up. You can be an entrepreneur too. Find a problem, solve it, help people, be successful, just like Elizabeth.